everyone. In our last episode, I had spoken about how I'm making an impact in my life by taking care of my gut health. So, today I thought I'll speak something about how I can reduce my hair problems. So, first of all, let's understand why an hair problem occurs. So, as you cross your 25 years in life, slowly and gradually you might see gray hairs. You might see that your hairs are breaking. You might see that your hair is getting thin. You might see that there is a lot of dandruff on hair. You might see there's a fungal infection. You might also see that your face is impacted with pimples due to the fungal infection in your hair. So these are couple of hair related issues. So I'm not an expert in this, but what I like to help you understand is how I take care of my hair and how you also can do a little bit efforts and take care of your health. So first of all, you have to understand what is the main cause of hair problem. It can be your dietary change. Recently I have been starting to do exercise. I have changed my dietary habits, so I have seen a little bit hair fall. Okay, so I'm trying to understand things, what is causing hair fall for me, and to some extent I'm successful for it. This is one thing. Now second thing is, if we eat a lot of junk food, there are multiple kinds of salts in that. There's also palm oil. There are multiple salts which are not good for the health. So these get into your stomach, create gut problem, create more heat. That may also get transferred in your hair, which leads to silvering of hair or whitening of hair. So you have to understand what you're eating. As far as possible, we should try eating home food. Simple dal rice, a little bit green sabzi is needed. Because of green sabzi, you get magnesium, zinc, protein, fibers, all those good things are there. Plus, there is almond, which is important, figs, which are important, dates, which are important, kaju, which is important. So I try to eat all these, and it is helping me to make my hair a little bit more stronger. Third aspect that I am doing is, alternatively, in 3 to 4 days time, I drink avla juice. So avla is a green color circle like ball icon, not an icon physically, but if you ask amla or not avla, it's amla. So if you go and ask for amla, they will give it to you. For 10 rupees you get 5-6 pieces as of now. So it's very good for our hair. You might have seen lots of ads also in oil that uses amla. It's actually good. Then there's a bhringraj. That is also good as per Ayurveda. So there's a shampoo that I use which is Zulfi, which has this bhringraj and all natural good things which are Ayurvedic and important for our hair used in that. Next aspect, as said, I use this juice. So in this juice, along with amla, I put cucumber, ginger, then a little bit curry leaves. It depends upon its taste. Then some mint leaves. I also put a little bit, since it becomes too, you can say, kadwa, I also put some dates in that so that I get natural sugar. 1 or 2 pieces of dates, not much, so that the kadwa aspect from extreme, it becomes a little bit less extreme. And then I try to drink it. So whatever is kadwa for taste is good for your stomach, by the way. And whatever is sweet is not good for your stomach. I've been doing lots of research on these aspects about how can I maintain my health and how I can maintain and make my body prosperous. So I'm trying to do these nowadays. So this is the thing that I do. Next aspect I've also started is massaging my hair at least once in a week. So I massage my hair. Then there's a cap that I use. Let me show you that cap in a second. So this is a cap that I have. So I just put it. I make it hot because it has an electric port which I can use it. And I also put essential oil, which is rosemary oil. I keep it overnight. I'll just keep it besides, yes. So yeah, so it helps me. So I put it for 15 minutes, my hair gets warm. Then this combination of oil, rosemary essential oil and normal oil. So oil also I am trying to use onion oil because it is generated from roots and the roots are growing. That means it has the potential to make things alive in my life. So that's the reason onion is important, or anything that has the ability to grow, like a moong. If you soak in water, it will start getting those roots. Moong, matki, all those things are fantastic because they help to rejuvenate. So whenever we use all these things, they help to positively improve the productivity, improve the efficiency, improve the dead skin grown, means whatever is impacted and become dead, it can gradually turn into life. So all these qualities are there in those kinds of things. So I try to use this and sleep overnight and just wash off. So twice in a week. I have started seeing this impact. See, there's no much efforts also that I need to do. If I just do like this, my hair gets set and it has started getting volume also. So these are couple of regimes that I do for my hair. Plus, very important thing is I try avoiding junk food whenever possible. I try to drink home food, eat home food, drink lots of water. So at least a 4 glasses, no, not 4 glasses, a 4 liter of water is what I try to do, because it flushes out lots of unnecessary things and the heat also gets reduced. Sometimes whenever I have time, I also apply aloe vera on my hair. So for me, I have planted an aloe vera tree in my balcony. It is with help of my brother and his friend that we have planted the aloe vera tree. So it's a source for me. It's grown this much, so this much, and it has multiple benefits for all of us. These are couple of good things that I do for my hair care. So I thought I'll just pass it to you also. It will be beneficial for you. All the best. Thank you. Do like, share, subscribe.